How to cancel AMC Plus subscriptions. First thing first, you want to head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, move into your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you need to head over to this option, subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. Once the loading is completed, you will be landing on this page. Right now you can see that none of the application is visible. It's because I haven't bought the subscription of any of the app. But for you, if you have the subscription of AMC Plus, then it will be available to you in this page. Once you have find the AMC Plus, click on it. Once you click on it, it will land you on the page where you'll be able to see the option of cancel subscriptions. You simply have to click on cancel subscriptions, and once you have clicked on it, the subscription of AMC Plus will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel AMC Plus subscriptions. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in a comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.